What is up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about TweakBox. So I'm actually making this video because, again, a lot of you were saying your Tutu app didn't work, the Tutu app Lite didn't work, the app value didn't work. They're working for some people, it's not working for some. It worked for me for all of them. So I was like, you know what, let me give as many suggestions as possible and alternatives as possible. This is another one. So all you got to do is go to tweakboxapp.com. All the links will be in the description below for you guys to see and check out. Once you have it installed now, it's similar to how it's the profile one. The profile will download. You go to your downloaded profile, you click install in the top right, put in your code if you have one. It'll ask you to install, confirm, just press done. The app will get installed. So just say I accept, and in this page you'll literally see it working. And you'll see all the different apps and whatnot. So you can see the apps, and again, this one actually shows you which one is working and which is not working, and there is an install button on the top right. So just because I know a lot of people were saying they couldn't even see an install button, the information is there. I've tried some of the apps, they do work. It's a little bit glitchy because, like, you can see right now, like, it stopped working. But this is currently for me, it is working to a certain degree. I personally use the Tutu app. It is working for me. But again, this is more alternatives for other people who it's not working for. You can definitely give this a shot. Go from here. I don't know if this is refresh or, yeah, you can, I guess, refresh the app from the inside as well. There's App Store apps, there are apps, tweaked apps. I guess those are plus apps. I guess this one, I don't know if Spotify's here. I know a lot of people personally wanted the Spotify one. So yeah, all those different ones are there. They say it's working. Definitely give it a shot. Go from here. And yeah, I hope this was helpful and informative to you guys. So overall, if you did like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. Do share with your friends and family so they can get this as well. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. If something's not working for you, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to guide you as much as possible. And other than that, FNH out. Peace.